Here's how to install track mounts for your Adventure Kings aluminium roof racks. Step 1 is to remove your existing roof rails if you have them, then clean up the roof. If you don't have factory fitted rails, you'll need to cut and remove a section of the rubber roof channel. Next, you'll need to locate the threaded holes in your roof channels and use the included M8 bolts to mount the roof tracks to each side, paying attention to ensure they're on the correct side of the vehicle and that they're positioned in the correct orientation. Now use the track as a template to start each hole in the vehicle's roof. Keep downward pressure on the track and use a drill and the included 4.9mm drill bit to spot drill and just mark the correct location for each hole. Then remove the tracks and ensure your drill marks are visible. Next, add a drill stop onto your drill bit and drill through the roof on the marks. Make sure your drill is perpendicular to the roof and keep in mind the roof panel is 2 to 3mm thick. Ensure your drill stop will prevent you from drilling through the inner roof lining. Vacuum to remove any excess metal, then apply cold gal to prevent the bare metal from rusting. Tape up to prevent any overspray if you're using a spray can. While the cold gal is drying on one side, you can start the process on the other side. Again, ensure your drill bit is perpendicular and that you're using a drill stop. Once again, vacuum the excess metal, then mask up and apply cold gal to the holes. Once the cold gal is dry, you can apply the butyl mastic sealant on one side to all the holes as well as the threaded holes at either end. Now grab the correct track for the side you're working on and position it, ensuring it's orientated properly as per the instructions. Then add the end tabs. Add a spring washer and flat washer to the M8 bolts and screw down the track. Avoid tightening completely to allow some movement. This will help to align the rivets in the drilled holes. Place the rivets in, hold the track down firmly and fasten in this order: middle, then back, then front. Now you can nip up the M8 bolts. Repeat this whole sequence on the other track. The roof tracks are now installed. Now you're ready to fit the mounts and the platform to your vehicle.